gilid.
Yes,
Put. Okay na, okay na. Okay na.
Ako naman yung tot. Oy!
Paragliding. Zip line.
Ano yan?
Shovel. Shovel wait lang. Truck? Shoveling truck? Shovel the path? Shovel the road? Zigzag. Shovel the third word. Two syllables. First syllable, drive. Shovel, driver. Second, drive. Wait, shovel driver.
Ano yan?
Okay,
ayan, go.
Drum. Xylophone. Ano yun?
Jack.
Ang galing ni